So today we're going to look at one of the houses that I posted on the short that Sandy is selling, or one of her clients is selling. So come along. Come along. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm JoJo. I'm a solo retiree in pursuit of her happiness by exploring and doing different things. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, it looks like it's a gated community. I'm not too sure. Okay. I don't know if this is the right place. Available here. Okay. Was I supposed to turn around? Okay, I'm lost already, guys. Sorry. Yeah, I'm lost. I guess I was supposed to turn around. Oh my. But if you see those towers there, those are towers for lots. So there are a lot of lots available here. And it looks like someone has a Carmelo. Oh my. Thank you. All right. Hey y'all, JoJo here. So like I said, we were going to visit one of the houses. That is one of the doors shutting, so don't be alarmed by that. But this is a house. It is single level. It is in Concal. There are no maintenance fees. You are in a small little neighborhood of Concal. Armaranta is the name of the community here, but no maintenance fees. So we're going to go inside. You have a nice driveway. You hardly have any neighbors right now. And that's Sandy. Say hi, Sandy. So we're going to go in. This is the living and dining room area along with the kitchen, but you have to appreciate the ceilings. I don't know. I want to, Sandy, how high are the ceilings? Do you know?
It's almost 3 meters and
3.2 meters.
Yes.
Oh, wow. So you have your kitchen, and traditionally with Mexican homes, the houses are built around the kitchen. So this is the design of this house. So you have double sinks. You have your stovetop here. No, there's no oven, but you can always buy a countertop oven. This is the laundry area here. And it's Mexico, so how often are you going to use the oven? Here is interior garden, or interior jardín. You can actually, I do want to mention, you can actually get a screen installed here. Always consider that you can add on to it. You have your pantry area here. This is the space for the refrigerator. It's a rather large space, so you can have a very large refrigerator. This is the guest bathroom here. You do, and you all know how I feel about having a window in the bathroom. You do have a window. Beautiful door, by the way. Beautiful door. And you have windows so you can look out of it. Nice frosted glass. We'll get to this in a minute. So I should say the house is built around the pool. There is no backyard. This is the total maintenance that you would have to deal with, it would be the front yard and the area around the pool. So just keep that in mind. You have large cabinet space above the sink, screening area. This is the opposite side of the interior garden. This is the hallway. Again, you have the tall ceilings, and the tall ceilings are really good for the heat and the humidity here. It just rises. This is the first secondary bedroom. You have access to the pool from your bedroom. Beautiful wooden doors. They're so tall. This is the bathroom that comes with this bedroom. You have access from the bathroom, if I can open it, from the bathroom to the pool. So like the first bedroom could be like a pool house. Go to the second bedroom. It has its own bathroom. Nice ventilation, nice natural lighting at the top. And again, you have access to the pool. Your own closet. Look how big that closet space is. A nice closet. Let's see. This is the second one. Now we're going to go to the primary bedroom. This is the primary bathroom, because they don't say master anything here. You have the natural lighting, double sinks, 1, 2, nice big shower, very nice. And then here is the bedroom. And I'm still walking. This bedroom is huge. It is very huge. You have the window. The only window that you have is the patio doors, but you do have this nice closet area. You can actually make this into a walk-in closet. You can have someone build a walk-in closet here. I want to say from the wall to right about here. This could be your walk-in closet, and you still have a lot of area here. 3 bedrooms, 3.1 million pesos, which is roughly $182,000. And then, let me see if I can capture it. You have the lighting above the ceiling here, so you're not gonna have a dark hallway. And then, let's see. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you. See if we can get outside. Let's try the other way. I have no desire of going into real estate, but I do love the opportunity to look at different houses. This is your pool area here. You can create one of those canvases above the pool to keep the shade in. But you also have this. So if your pool needs maintenance, there is a service access. So you can have someone access the pool through this hallway here. So they don't have to walk through your house. The service people do not have to walk through your house. But yes, hey y'all. This is gorgeous. And it's so nice and quiet out here. And let me just say this. I did mention that the pool is a little small. However, you can always raise the height of your pool wall. You can always do that. They do it a lot in my neighborhood. But you can always raise the height of the pool wall. What else? Again, no maintenance fees. Let's look in the neighborhood. So it's still an up-and-coming neighborhood. If you hear, you have a lot of birds that are around here singing. Beautiful neighborhood. It looks like some neighbors are building. There's another neighbor across the street. Some down here. You don't have a lot going on. You do have construction next door, but that's going to be temporary. This is peace and quiet. So, okay. So, Sandy just informed me that there is a lot here for sale. It is 590 pesos. It's 10 by 25 meters. However, if you're trying to buy a house here, it's always better to buy the lot before you buy the house, because you're paying the taxes on the lot. If you were to build your house, or if you were to buy a fully built house on the land, you're paying for the house and the land. It's always cheaper to buy the lot. She told me that before I bought my house, but I wanted to have my house immediately. And she said it will take approximately 6 to 7 months, and you can actually have the same house that we just saw, if it's 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, and it's 795 pesos per square meter. So if you're interested in that, you can do that with this property. So 590 pesos is approximately $35,000. So buy the lot first, pay the taxes on the lot, $35,000, and then build the house. It takes about 6 or 7 months to build the house, and you get a cheaper house. Yes?
Yes,
okay.
That's correct. And we can do whatever they need. 2 levels or just 1 level.
Okay. So thank you, Sandy.
You're welcome. Thank you.
This is just happenstance. She told me that she's selling a couple of houses, and I said, can I add it to my video? And she said, sure. So if you're interested, please contact Sandy. Again, the contact information will be on the video. And thank you guys again for watching. JoJo is out. Say bye, Sandy.
Bye-bye.
Y'all, I don't know what this bird is. It's tall like a chicken, but skinny like a pigeon. What is that? What is that? I don't know what that bird is. I gotta talk to the professor on this one.